We just passed Total in Spring Valley, now passing Sugar Bowl into Lower Kabete Road at the Chuna roundabout. And immediately you pass Spring Valley Police Station. To your right, you see Maisonettes. Welcome to Spring Valley. Spring Valley is one of Nairobi's most affluent regions or estates, and true to it, you can see it is full of bungalows. In fact, there's somebody there who's constructing a mansion. Bungalows, maisonettes, and mansions all over in Spring Valley. This road to my left side is the road that links to Loresho side, all the way to ABC as we link with the Red Hill Road. And of course, this road up here to the right heads towards Nyari Estate, to the left, Loresho side. Guys, look to my left side. You're gonna see amazing bungalows. Just look. Very, very nice bungalows. People out here are living well. The definition of if you want to see me come up in the hills in a forest. This is Spring Valley, which is highly favored by business executives, diplomats, and some of the richest people in Kenya live here. Spring Valley is located 6 kilometers northwest of Nairobi CBD, and it borders other affluent neighborhoods because its neighbors are Westlands Nairobi, Loresho, to the east side Kitsuru, Baraton Estate, and Lower Kabete. Spring Valley was established in 1905. It used to be a coffee farm, but later years, early 1990s, it was enclaved to be an affluent residential region in the city. We're passing a restaurant called Zen Garden, and then to the right side, that's the road which goes to link with Gecha Road as you go towards Kitisuru side. Guys, what do you think about this? This is an amazing environment to live in. The rich people in the city live in Spring Valley and they like kind of estates or regions. Trees all over, living in their maisonettes, bungalows, and mansions. Talk about top-notch real estate. And as you can see, the road is very clear. And what I love about this region is that also there is a footpath created for people who are walking by the road. And the interesting thing is that it is quite a distance away from the road where vehicles are passing. The road is clean. The trees have been maintained over the years. People in this affluent region of the city, this rich suburb, take care of the environment and they take it seriously. That's why we have maisonettes in the forests. Look guys, to my left, amazing bungalows. To the right is Farasi Lane. Basically put, Farasi Lane means horses, okay? These are the affluent regions in the city where people even have horses which they can be riding. Look guys to the left, amazing bungalows. Clearly this is a suburb in Nairobi city. What do you think about these guys? Do you aspire to live in such a place? Or even yet, are you living in a leafy suburb in the city? Comment down below. Tell us where you live in the city and how are you finding Spring Valley. Is it amazing? By the way, if you don't know, this region of the city, we're talking about an acre of land here going at upwards of 300 million Kenya shillings. And for most of these houses you're seeing here, if they're not owned, if someone is renting here, most of them for a 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom house are even paying rent upwards of $250,000. That is how affluent this region is. A leafy suburb in the city. People are paying here rent upwards of $250,000 Kenya shillings for the maisonettes you're seeing upwards of 3-bedroom. And in case, for example, there is maybe an amazing townhouse even which has 5 bedrooms, some people are even paying $500,000 in rent each and every month. Guys, what do you think about this? So we are currently approaching the end of Spring Valley and we are reaching the border point, because the border point is Lower Kabete School under Kenya School of Government, and then post that we start getting into Lower Kabete. What do you think about Spring Valley? I find Spring Valley a very amazing, rich suburb in the city, which has a quiet, leafy, ideal environment. And interestingly, there are 2 rivers which pass by here. We are talking about Mathare River and Kabarage River. They pass through Spring Valley. So we've reached Lower Kabete Comprehensive Primary School. We're done with Spring Valley. This is the border point of Nairobi and Kiambu County, because Spring Valley is Nairobi. Now post the Kenya School of Government and the University of Nairobi School of Business Lower Kabete, we get officially into Kiambu County. Guys, thanks for watching. By the way, if you love this kind of videos I'm making and would want for your video to be shot very high quality video or even any other creative works, reach out to Perfect Visuals Media Kenya Limited. Contact us down below. Let's partner, see what we create together.